We got the bad guys? Who got the bad guys?
Good guys!
Who are the bad guys?
We got the bad guys!
Who are the
people?
guys?
In the plane! They got them!
Who are the good guys?
Herbie!
Herbie the love bug? Yay, Herbie! Herbie the love bug, baby. Good old-fashioned movie night. Complete with pillow fights, popcorn, and a movie from the 70s.
What's this?
Herbie the love... Wait, Herbie Goes Bananas.
I'm not admitting the kid's a better driver than I am, but he sure can get more.
Oh, and a dog, of course.
Herbie.